it's the Crap Goth. My name is Pixie and welcome to my channel of randomness where you never know what you're going to get. Today is an unboxing video and it's things that you guys have sent to me, which is so super exciting, so stick around to find out what I've got. Hi, so yes, hello, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new, and I'm doing an unboxing video today which is things that you guys have sent in, and it could be through the PO box, which I got quite a lot of in my previous videos which I've just filmed, which is exciting. I'm on a binge filming mission today, which is cool, and also things from Amazon, which is really exciting as well. So I'm going to jump straight in and say a huge thank you to everybody for still sticking with this channel. You are all awesome. And right, let's see what we've got today then. So jumping straight in, have a big Amazon package here. This has come to the PO box and it's come to the Crap Goth, which is really exciting when I get things in my YouTube name. My voice is going. I've just filmed 2 videos before this one and I'm on a roll today, but my gob is just going blah, 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 and my voice is going. Okay, right, so first of all, I will quickly say now we are on the run up to Christmas. Today is the 16th of December 2024 and I've said this in several other videos, but in case you're new, if anyone does send things through and it's before Christmas and I open it, they will be wrapped in your name, whoever sent it, and it will go under our Christmas tree. So thank you so much. Okay, the first one is, the note is from, it's from Debs, Tiggy and Goth. Hi! So they are our friends from the UK. This says, Merry Christmas Spooky. Oh my God, that's my chihuahua. Love from Debs, Tiggy and Goth. Oh my gosh, this will be wrapped up under the tree for Spooky then. And there is another note in here as well, this one here. And it says, Merry Christmas, love from Debs, Tiggy and Goth as well. So there is, oh my God, this is cute as a button. I am not going to unwrap it now because it's for Spooky. It is a raincoat. Oh my gosh. When he walks, he's so tiny. His little legs are going. But oh my God, he's going to look well cute. I need to get him a red balloon to tie to his legs so he can look like it. Oh my gosh, I'll take a picture of Spooky in this. Thank you so much. Yeah, he's just gone to size medium now as well. He's just grown out of his small clothes into his medium. So thank you so much. And I love the fact it is reflective. This is fantastic. Thank you so much, Debs. That is incredible. And there's also, excuse me, a tarot deck of mushrooms. Oh my God, this is Midnight Magic. Look at that. Oh my God. Oh, I will apologise now really quickly. My ring light is not plugged in. Normally it's nice and bright. I use the extension cable to plug in my Christmas tree and I don't have anywhere to plug my ring light in, but hopefully you can see enough. So this is an amazing tarot deck. It's so heavy. And this is illuminate your path with the beautiful fungi of the forest and beyond. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much. I love tarot decks. They're absolutely incredible. And this looks stunning. Thank you so much, Debs. I'm going to wrap it up and put it under the tree from you to me. Thank you. Oh my God. See, I'm not going to unwrap it now. Resisting the urge. This is gorgeous. Thank you. I love that. Sorry. My voice is proper going. I love anything to do with like, outside of that, like the occult and witchcraft and things, but not anything like really sinister. I just like to look into it and read about it, and oh my gosh, thank you. And I love tarot. Thank you so much. Is my voice going to last? Right, okay then. Okay, the next one is a big heavy box, and this has come to the Crap Goth, to the PO box again. Oh my God, this is exciting. Thank you. And this is, look at this. Oh my gosh, there's so much stuff in here. Wow. Okay, so this is a shipping note. I don't actually know who it's from. Let's see if I can find, I can't see a note who it's from. So just on the off chance that parcels do come and they don't have any notes in, I'll try and find out beforehand who it is and put the names on the screen. And if they're not on the screen, I'll try and find out and put it in the description. And if that fails, please do comment down below if you see anything that you sent in and I'll say thank you. So first of all, there is a Squishville. Oh my gosh. 2 mystery mini Squishmallows. Oh my God, look at these. They are so adorable. Have you seen Squishvilles before? The mini ones. Myself and Ostara, who is my little 7-year-old daughter, both have these like cabins. They're made like dolls' houses and they're about this big and they're made of material, and these little mini Squishmallows go and live inside. It is so cool. Oh my God. These are cute. Now, this is the Sea Life Squad, which is cool because my little boy's like a pirate, so that's cool. It says, a squishy world just bursting with personality, just like the irresistibly squeezable Squishmallows that live here. They are so adorable. Oh my gosh. They are awesome. Thank you. This is a gift from Amy Kim. Oh my God. Hi, Amy. How you doing? This is Merry Christmas for the Crewmate Project from Amy Kim, and Merry Christmas for Ebony from Amy Kim. Oh my gosh, and Merry Christmas Ostara from Amy Kim. So the squish will be for Ostara, and the Winter Wonderland will be for the community project. So this is something that we run all year round. The community project runs throughout the whole year until it becomes Crewmates for Christmas around about the festive season, and we donate things to hospitals and hospices and schools, groups, local families in the area, Salvation Army, anybody who needs help. So we store things up all year and we do distribute out, and this is awesome. Thank you so much. This is Mr. Men and Little Miss Winter Wonderland. These are fantastic books. Oh my gosh, thank you so much for that. And then this is for Ebony. Oh my gosh, wow, she's gonna love this. This is Bayliss and Harding. That is posh. And this is the signature collection luxury pamper gift set with sweet mandarin and grapefruit fragrance body wash, bath milk, soap, shower cream, body lotion, bath soap crystals and body polisher with a keepsake box. Oh my gosh, look at that. That is stunning. Thank you so much for that, Amy. I will get this wrapped up for Ebony. I'll get this wrapped up for Ostara, and your donation is safely down here with other ones that I've unboxed as well. So thank you so much. I'm going to be busy tonight wrapping presents. Oh my gosh, thank you. That is incredible. Wow, just give me 2 seconds while I pause and pop this down. Thank you. This is so exciting. I absolutely love it. Oh my gosh, thank you guys so much. Right, okay, so the next thing we've got is another Amazon parcel. This is to Pixie, which is me. This is cool. Oh my gosh, I love this because you never know like who things are going to be for or what they're going to be for. It's dead exciting. Every time I do it, it's like it's Christmas every day. Oh my goodness, wow. Okay, so there are some super soft socks. Oh my god, they're fluffy socks. That is awesome. And there are 5 pairs of fluffy socks in there. Who is this from? Oh my gosh, do we have a letter? So this is from a gift from William Fleming. Oh my gosh, hi. So William Fleming is the old fart and he is from Canada. Hello, and hello to Cooper, your chihuahua as well. Oh my gosh, William, thank you. I think there's another note in here as well. Enjoy your gift. So I will message you, old fart, and find out who these are for. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. There is another pack as well, another 5-pack of socks, fluffy soft socks. Oh my god, awesome. Thank you so much. And there is some more. Oh my god, these are cool. I'm going to open these to see what they look like. These are high quality socks in a box. Socks in a box. There we go. Oh my gosh, this is ta-da! Oh my gosh, I'm not going to take these out because I don't know who these are for, but we've got lots of, I think there's 1, 2, 3, I think there's 6 pairs of socks in there, which is cool. Oh my gosh, thank you so much to the old fart and Cooper. Like I said, I'll message and find out who they're for, pop it on the screen if I find out as well. So thank you for that. That is awesome. Oh my gosh, it's exciting, isn't it? It's really cool. Thank you. Right then, some more down here. These are smaller ones. So this is a little one. This has come to the Crap Goth on the PO box. Is it a card? I don't know what it is. I love this. It's so exciting. Thank you ever such a lot. Okay, I cannot say this out loud because my husband is working in the next room. Literally, there's only a wall between us and he'll hear me because he works from home. What? It's a Christmas present for you. Yeah. I don't know if you'll hear that. It's like, yeah. I'm not telling you. I'm going to hold it up to the screen so you guys can see, but I'm not going to say what it is. Oh my, this is frigging awesome. Oh my god. There we go. Oh wow. How cool is that? That is brilliant. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. I don't know who sent this. It's not come with a note. If you know who this is from you, please do comment down below. This will get wrapped up for Christmas, and when I find out who it's from, I'll put your name on it. Thank you so much. Oh my god, I'm going to be very happy husband there. Thank you. That is awesome. Okay, have another Amazon package, and this has come to me, to my home address. Oh my god, honestly, this is awesome. It's like Christmas today. Thank you. Right, okay, the next one is, we have some more socks. I get sent a lot of socks actually. I don't know if it's because I'm always in pyjamas and wearing fluffy socks, because I'm too late. Yeah, I'm in my pyjamas again today because it's comfy, and why not? Okay, this is a gift from the old farts. This is from William Fleming. Oh my gosh, these are socks again. There we go. Oh my god. fucking hell. Oh my... Really? Oh, that's brilliant. Oh my god, that is... I'm not going to say it on camera just in case they're not for me. Oh my god, that is fucking brilliant. I love that. Thank you so much. I'm impressed with that. That's proper made my day. Thank you. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna message you after I finish filming. Oh my god. My balls are hurting. Like my cheek balls are hurting because I'm smiling that much. That's really funny. Where did you get them from? Okay, moving on. Oh, naughty. Okay, I've got another Amazon parcel. I'm gonna sneeze. Hang on. Oh, sorry. Okay, this is To The Crap Goth, and it's come to my home address as somebody who knows me. Oh my god, I can't stop smiling. I love stuff like that. It's dead funny. Okay, oh my god. When I laugh too much, I start sneezing. Don't ask me why, it's stupid. Okay, the next thing is, okay, we've got an envelope in here. And do we know who it's from? This is from a gift from Debs, Tiggy and Goth. Hi! So they are my UK friends. To Spanky. You've got another one, Spanks. To Spanky, Merry Christmas. Love from Debs, Tiggy and Goth. Again, I'm not going to say what it is on camera because he's going to hear me. But, okay. I will open it, obviously, to show you guys, and then I'll rewrap it. Oh my gosh. Oh. Oh my goodness. Okay. Right. Oh, I dropped it. Get here. Right. Is it stuck together? Okay. It is. Thank you. Oh my gosh. Wow. Oh, there we go. It's not stuck. There we go. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much for that for him. Oh my gosh. I will put this, obviously that's there, so I'll put his name on it and put it under the tree for him on Christmas Day. Oh my god, thank you so much. It's cool, Spanky. Your presents are cool. You got some good prezzies? He's like, whoop, whoop, whoop. I don't know if you can hear him. Probably won't be able to hear him, but he's like, yeah. Every time he hears his name, he's like, what is it? He gets really excited. Thank you so much. Oh my god, that's awesome. Right, okay, I do have quite a few things to open here. So I've got a big one to open, and I'm going to make this one my last one for this video because I'm trying to bulk film today. I'm doing loads of videos. Okay, so this one is going to be the last one for this video, and it is a big black parcel. It's quite lightweight, and this has come to Pixie to my home address. So let's have a look what this one is. Okay, I haven't opened this one, as you can see. I've got no idea who it's from. Quite lightweight. Oh my god, it's wrapped up, so I cannot open this. This is to Pixie, John, Ebony, Astora and Kori. Oh, thank you for including Kori. I will open the card so I can see who this is from, but this is wrapped up in Christmas paper, so I'm not going to open it. Oh my gosh. And this is to Pixie and Astora from Lisa and Olivia. Oh my gosh. Oh wow. So we have, hang on, because the sellotape is stuck to the packaging a bit, so I've got to be very careful. Oh my goodness me. Oh wow. What? There's two different parcels in here. I'm just being very, very careful because the outer packaging stuck to it. Oh my gosh. There is. Oh, there's this one here, look. This one says to Pixie and Astora. And this little one says Pixie Mom from Kori. Oh my god. Thank you so much. I'm just going to cut the sellotape holding these two together so it doesn't... Oh my gosh. That is such a nice thing to do. Thank you so much. Oh, yeah, Christmas is definitely never the same again since losing a child, and this is a beautiful, beautiful thing for you to do. Thank you so much. I'll put that under my Christmas tree. And this one will go under the tree as well. So, oh my gosh, how beautiful is that? Oh, I'm going to start crying in a minute. Thank you so much. That's really, really nice. This is beautiful paper. Thank you. Oh my gosh. Wow. Thank you. I'm going to put that on there. Kind of floored for words now, to be fair. Thank you so much to every single person who helps make videos like this possible. Honestly, the generosity is just above and beyond, honestly. Thank you so much for your beautiful words, for your support across my channel and Kori's channel, which we're always going to keep going. He might not be here physically anymore, but it doesn't mean his channel's going to stop. This is the name of his channel. It is Crack in the Box, and it will be linked up into this video, so please do go over it and drop him a subscribe and watch some of his videos. You know, we did lots of filming together before he passed away, and I'm keeping his channel going. So thank you to everyone who still sends cards and things with Kori's name on it. That means so much, and this is beautiful. We will do an independent video as well after Christmas, showing you all the things we got for Christmas. I'll take photos and I'll put together a lovely compilation, so you guys will probably see things you've gifted to us as well. Have a very, very Merry Christmas, and thank you so much. Please do like and subscribe if you like what you see. Honestly, just please know that we're sending you so much love from our family in the UK to wherever in the world you guys are. Thank you so much. We love you. Thank you for thinking of us, and we'll see you again soon. Bye-bye. Merry Christmas. Okay, I am so sorry. I forgot to open this Christmas card. Oh my gosh, I am so sorry about that. I'm really scatterbrained. This says, "Dashing through the snow." And this says inside, "To Pixie, John, Ebony, Gostara, and the beautiful Kori. Thank you. Have an amazing family Christmas, guys, and we wish you have the very best for 2025. You so deserve it. Hope you and Ostara enjoy the Harry Potter train and the stickers." Oh my gosh. And also the stress balls from Kori. Oh my gosh. And this is from Lisa, Olivia and John. They've given their address, which obviously I'm not going to give out on camera, but oh my gosh, they are from the West Midlands. Hi, and thank you so much. Oh my God, that is so nice. I'm going to put this up in my living room now. Thank you. And I hope you guys have the most amazing, beautiful Christmas. And thank you so much for your kindness. Oh my gosh, Merry Christmas. Thank you.